Another day. The weather's actually quite nice today. It's quite sunny out there.
It's supposed to be thunderstorms, but
Yeah, thunderstorms are supposed to be on the way, but we'll have to see. I never believe the weather.
No, I know.
Because it's been pretty sort of on and off rain and bits of sunshine, bits of rain. But it's weather. We're waterproof, aren't we? You've just had a shower.
Just had a shower.
And a little hey-ho's off. Found a little girl and she's off playing with her. Finally found a little girl to play with. The problem with this place, it doesn't have a playground, so there's no like natural meeting ground for all the children to go to meet each other.
They did have one, but it was condemned, wasn't it?
Apparently, yeah. So
which is a shame.
yeah, so I think the plans today we'll head out. I might even hire a bike and go along the Monsell Trail and see if we can find. There's supposed to be a lovely viaduct down there. We can go and find that. So that's our plan, and we'll
Catch you soon.
catch you soon. Sun! Sun! Monsell Trail, here we come. Let's rock. Filming while on a bike, riding one-handed, probably never a good idea. Warning tunnel. That looks a very dark, long tunnel. Woo! Woo! Hey ho! Hey ho! I think this is the viaduct. Right, we've biked along for a few miles. I like that tunnel bit.
It was good, but don't wear prescription sunglasses in there because it gets really dark.
Oh, right. Did you go blind? I didn't even look behind. I could have left you miles behind. But yeah, I think we're at the viaduct now, and it's nice and high. And I don't think we can get down to the bottom to film up, but we can look down, up, looking down. But it's fun. It's well worth hiring these bikes out.
Yeah, they're not cheap. Well, I think they're about £48 for 3 of them for 2 hours.
Yeah.
So it's not too bad. It's great.
Oh, you could bring your own bikes, but
Yeah, you could, but it's a great day out. It's worth doing it.
yeah,
Live a little.
YOLO. Managed to clamber down the little path, left the bikes at the top, and to go and get to look at the viaduct from the bottom up. Looks very nice. Viaduct crossed off list. Just gonna climb our way back up here now. Knees aren't what they used to be. Right, we've been down to look at the viaduct and now we've got to it. We're going to continue on for another 10 minutes and then head on back to take the bikes back.
Come back and then get some lunch at the Hassop Station Cafe because it's pretty good and has good vegan options.
Yes. Off we go! Right, that's the biking done. We're just heading back to hand the bikes in and going to grab some lunch. Mrs. Hayhoe's turned into Wonder Woman. Right, it's the last day now, last evening, and we're going home tomorrow. It's a lovely, pleasant sort of evening sunshine, isn't it?
It is the week before the storm, isn't it?
The calm before the storm.
Before the
We've heard there's storms on the way, but we don't know if there is. We'll see. We'll just get everything ready to go, and then we'll be off. But we're just one last walk around the campsite. Little Hayhoe's playing somewhere. We'll probably bump it on the way around. And well, thanks for watching, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's been a nice visit to Chatsworth.
Lovely site. All in all, I'd say definitely recommend it. It's got that lovely, sort of quiet, but still laid out really nicely, so you don't really see a lot of people. It's reasonably big, isn't it? It's got little pockets of caravans.
Yeah, it's
Little
reasonably.
cul-de-sacs.
Yeah. So yeah, very nice. Well, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
It's been a bit of an epic. We've got lots of footage, but lots more stuff to come. We're going to Scotland soon. Really enjoyed stopping in the Bailey D44, the new one. Had a really nice time. And stick with us. Don't forget to
Hey-ho, let's go.
and
Like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.
bye.
Bye.